Hello everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. Today we will discuss adders and subtractors combinational digital circuit. So let's start with adders. Digital computers perform a variety of processing tasks. Among the functions encountered are the various arithmetic operations. The most basic arithmetic operation is the addition of two binary digits or numbers. A combinational logic circuit which performs the addition is known as adder. Here, if any circuit performs addition, so this circuit is known as adder circuit. We have a two type of adders, half adder and full adder. So let's discuss one by one. First, half adder, a combinational circuit that performs the addition of two bits is called a half adder. The input variable designates the origin and added bits. The output variables produce the sum and carry. Here x and y are two input and s for sum and c for carry, and this s and c for outputs. For half adder, here we have a two input x and y and two output carry and sum. 0 plus 0, we have a carry 0, sum 0. 0 plus 1, carry 0, sum 1. 1 plus 0, carry 0, sum 1. 1 plus 1, carry 1, sum 0. So here we have a truth table for this half adder. We have an equation for sum and carry bit from this truth table. S is equals to x y dash plus x dash y. As s is equals to 1 for combination, x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. So we have a x y dash condition, and here for x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0, again s is equals to 1. So we have another term x dash y. This is basically XORing of x and y. So s is equals to x XOR y. And for carry, we have only one output as a result in a 1. For x and y is equals to 1, we have a c is equals to 1. So equation of carry, c is equals to xy. So using these equations, we can plot or says implement logical diagram of half adder. Here first a diagram shows x, y dash ending, x dash y ending, and these both terms are odd for sum, and next for x, y we have a ending, and then using this AND operation we have a equation or says we have a term carry. So this is for first figure for half adder, and next B, here we have a sum using XOR gate. So x and y XORing. So we have a S sum, and for C x dot y, or basically x and y. So it gives C carry. So this is how we can implement half adder. Full adder, a combinational circuit that performs the addition of three bits, that is two significant bits, and carry is called a full adder. It consists of three inputs and two outputs. Two of the input variables denoted by x and y represent the two significant bits to be added, and the third input z represent the carry from the previous lower significant position. Addition of n-bit binary numbers require the use of a full adder, and the process of the addition proceed on a bit by bit basis, right to left, beginning with the least significant bit. So let's discuss how we can implement full adder. So here we have a truth table. We have a three input x, y, z. This x and y are significant bits, and this z is a previous carry. So for three input, we have a 8 possible output. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, we have a carry 0, sum 0, then 0 plus 0 plus 1, carry 0, sum 1, then 0 plus 1 plus 0, carry 0, sum 1, then 0 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0, then 1 plus 0 plus 0. So carry 0, sum 1, then 1 plus 0 plus 1. Basically 1 plus 1, 1 0. So carry 1, sum 0. Again 1 plus 1, carry 1, sum 0. Then x, y, z. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we have a carry 1, sum 1. So here we can plot K-map for sum, as we have to find logical equation for sum and carry for logical diagram. So here we have a equation of S is equals to x dash y dash z plus x dash y z dash plus x y dash z dash plus x y z. This is basically x or y, x or z. And we have an equation for carry. Here we represent this 1 0 0 and 1 bit over here. Here only one consider of the answer of the C bit. So for conditions x, y, z 0 1 1, we have a 1. So put over here. Then 1 0 1, we have a C is equals to 1. Then for 1 1 0, C is equals to 1. And for 1 1 1, C is equals to 1. So for all this condition, we have a C is equals to 1. So place this into K-map. Here we use 3 variable K-map to simplify this function. So by simplifying this, we have a logical function C is equals to xy plus xz plus yz. So here we have an equation for sum and carry. Using these equations, we implement this logical diagram. As for sum, we have a x or y, x or z. So here first we do XORing between x and y. So we have a x, y XORing, and then another z term is added, and then again do XORing for sum bit. Now here we implement this full adder using two half adder. So for sum, here we have a two terms, and here we use two XOR circuit. But for carry, we have to use this AND gate. So how we can implement this? So here we have an equation for S. S is equals to Z XOR X XOR Y. So basically this is the equation which is derived from K-map, and we have an equation of C which can be written as this manner for implement full adder using two half adder. So this is how we can implement full adder using two half adder. Here first x and y XORing, then x and y ending. So here we have a one half adder, then again here XORing for x XOR y XOR z, and again we make a ending between x XOR y into z, and again this term will be odd and with this xy term. So here we have an equation x XOR y into z plus xy, which is the equation of carry. How this equation is of a carry? Because it is differed from derived equation from K-map, right? But after simplification of this, we have a exactly same equation for carry bit. So this is how we can implement full adder using two half adder. Now subtractor. Another basic arithmetic operation is the subtraction of two binary digits or numbers. A combinational logic circuit which performs the subtraction is known as a subtractor. So again we have a half subtractor and full subtractor. A combinational circuit that performs the subtraction of a two bits is called a half subtractor. The input variable designated the minute and subtrahend bits. The output variable produces the difference and borrow. Here x and y are the two input, and D for difference and B for borrow for output. So here we have a truth table for half subtractor. We have a 2 input x and y, and for 2 input we have a total 4 possible input combination, and this output will be calculated from this combination. Now here we perform x minus y. So 0 minus 0, difference 0, borrow 0. 1 minus 0, difference 1, borrow 0. 1 minus 1, difference 0, borrow 0. But for 0 minus 1, we have to take borrow. So b is equals to 1, and after borrowing, we have a difference 1. So using this D and B, that means using this difference and borrow term, we can implement a logical diagram for half subtractor. Here we have a equation difference D is equals to x y dash plus x dash y. Because we have a D is equals to 1 for the combination x and y is equals to 1 0, that means x y dash, and again we have a D is equals to 1 for the combination of 0 and 1, that means x dash y, and this is the equation of x, and for borrow, b is equals to 1 when x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1. So we have a equation b is equals to x dash y dash, which can be implemented using one XOR, one inverter, and using AND gate. So here we have a logical diagram for difference and borrow bit x and y XORing. So we have a D difference bit and x dash y ending. So we have a borrow bit. Full subtractor, a combinational circuit that performs the subtraction of 3 bits, that is 2 significant bits, and previous borrow is called a full subtractor. It consists of 3 inputs and 2 outputs. 2 of the inputs variables denoted by x and y represent 2 significant bits to be subtracted, and the third input z represent the borrow from the previous lower significant position. So how we can calculate truth table for full subtractor? So here we have a 3 input x, y, z, and here we want to perform x minus y minus z, and by this input we have a 2 outputs, difference and borrow. Now let's start with first combination 0 minus 0 minus 0. So we have a difference 0, borrow 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, not possible. So we have to take borrow. So b is equals to 1 and d is equals to 1. Then 0 minus 1, which is not possible. So we have to take some borrow. So b is equals to 1, and after this borrowing, we have a d is equals to 1. Then for x is equals to 0, so here x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, 0 minus 1. So we have to take borrow. So we have a borrow is equals to 1. Then after borrowing this 0 minus 1, we have a difference 1. Then again 1 minus 1, so we have a difference 0. Then 1 minus 0 minus 0, difference 1, borrow 0. Then 1 minus 0 minus 1, so difference 0, borrow 0. 1 minus 1, difference 0 and borrow 0. Then 1 minus 1, 0, and 0 minus 1 not possible. So we have to take borrow, and after borrowing this 0 minus 1 has produced difference 1. So this is how we calculate truth table for full subtractor. Now from this we have a logical expression for D. Now here represent D bits over here for condition which has a output 1, which has a output 1. So we have a output 1 for condition 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, and 1 1 1. So we have a equation D is equals to x dash y dash z plus x dash y z dash plus x y dash z dash plus x y z dash. Basically T is equals to x XOR y XOR z. Then we have an equation for borrow. So here we have an equation for borrow. B is equals to x dash y plus x dash z plus y z. We can implement this logical expression with logical gates. So here we have a logical diagram of full subtractor x and y XORing. Then it is given to z with XORing. So we have a d bit, and for borrow bit here we take this first x dash y, then ending, then again z, and this z will be ended with x XOR y dash, and then it will be OR with this x dot y, x dash dot y. So we have a equation for borrow. This is similar to the full adder circuit using two half adder. Here we have a full subtractor circuit with two half subtractor. So this is how we can represent this full subtractor. So in this session we discussed about half adder, full adder, half subtractor and full subtractors, which are similar into the kind, but in adders we have a term x and in subtractor we have a term x dash. So basically this is the difference between adder and subtractor. If we want to convert this adder into subtractor, we have to just invert x into logical representation, and this can be done with inverter circuit. So here we can implement adder and subtractor using this logical diagram. Thank you.